Hello guys, we're very close to Royal National Park. It's in South Sydney, and as you know, we have this beautiful service. We delivered Magnum Pro X19 to the customer. We're going to assemble everything together. We're going to run paint through and do a couple of exercises on the areas that they're painting. So please remember, we have this additional cool service from PaintAccess where we do try before in our store, plus we also do delivery to the sites and very small and short lessons with a very cool information. Don't stress, it's very easy. Like it's with LS paint spray, product pushes itself, and benefit with Pro X19, you can lubricate pump. So you have to open this front grille by pulling these small clips towards you, like this. Open, oil. Every 3 buckets of paint, you have to hit this piston with oil, like this. See, by gravity, it goes inside in a cylinder. That's beautiful, nice. We just have to close it. Pretty much ready to go. We've connected hose. It has a bit of a water from a factory and a bit of oil. So we can run a little bit with the water just to get some basics first. And then we'll get paint. That's the suction hose we have to get inside. This small tube, it's a priming. So what's happening here? That's the diverter. It's called priming valve. When it's showing down, it means product goes up and going through the tube. So we're just getting air from a system before we start spraying. Okay, we've connected. We are on. Let's do priming. So now we see product goes up and down. That's enough. So now we're going to do exactly the same with paint, and we'll get started. Ooh, nice color. Cool. Remember, in the system we have a bit of water, so we're going to get this priming tube back to the water. And slowly you'll see how product will be coming out. See, water, yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's already primed. So now we're switching into the spraying mode, like this. So the product will go through the hose, yeah. This one you can leave in the water. Now you see hose vibrated, we have a bit of water, so we're going to spray it somewhere in the grass until we see paint coming out. With a low pressure, I would probably, yeah, it's around half, so it's roughly around 2000 psi. I'll show you, and you're going to practice a little bit because it's better than fence. So you always keep 25 centimeters from a distance, Linton, yeah, and just press the trigger. While you do all the movements and operation, make sure that your trigger in the safety mode. It's a small switch. When it's horizontal, it's actually I can't press the trigger, so it's very important. When it's down, I can press the trigger. Yeah. Mask, 25 centimeters from a distance, and you just very nice and simple. See, you don't have any runs. It's a beautiful finish. And when it's dry, it will give you nice lotion. Try yourself. So what you need to do, I'll just do one, so 30% overlap, and just no rush. That doesn't matter if you start this way or that. Yep. Yeah, a little bit, 25, yeah. Yeah, just carefully, yeah, you're on edge, yeah. Nice. Woo. That's it. See, the main thing you can do with one coat, but usually it's probably better to have two coats. The coverage is super, but it's about protection. Okay, great. So what you've done, it's amazing. I suggest you when you spray, you did careful with the H. I suggest you probably a little bit less overlap because you did probably like 30–40%, maybe just a little bit less. Yeah. Hi guys, we just assembled Pro X19 for our customers, and we just want to ask Linton general feedback from Paint Access.
The paint sprayer was great. It sprayed really easy. It was so there, no drips, no drops. Didn't even get any paint on me. Daniel is just amazing at showing you all the paint spraying, the ins and outs of this paint sprayer from 1 to 100. He gives you all the information that you need. I can't believe it. I got no paint on me, and it sprayed so easily. And you look at my fence, it's only half done, but I'm so
Thank
happy
you,
about it.
Linton.
It was great.
That's
Thank
appreciate.
you so much, Daniel.
You're
you.
welcome. Really appreciate. And guys, if you want the same service, please reach us out. Cheers.